And it's only in therapy for the first time that they may even start recognizing that what is happening to them is dysfunctional. Such as I have worked with plenty of people where I may be the one saying, "Well, that's abusive what your partner is doing," and that's a surprise. That's shocking for them that's not a word they would use. And the reason for that is because they've adapted to that. And they've not adapted to that partner, they've adapted to that behavior, which is that if I'm consistently disregarded, or if I'm consistently disrespected, or if I'm consistently, my needs are not met, then in some ways I'm just going into my adaptation, which is that I need to do something about it. Because very early on, my template was that I'm not worthy of receiving this. When I'm being neglected, either I'm doing something wrong, or I am lacking, or I need to do something better. Or especially if that message was given to me, which is that, oh, well, you will get my attention when you get good grades, or you will do this if that happens. So then I am perpetually then tied up in that cycle where I'm feeling that I need to do something to win over this abusive partner. I'm just not able to see that behavior is abusive, and that's as simple as that may completely skip a person's. They can say it, they can understand it, but they may not recognize that happening interpersonally, relationally in their lives.
Because like you said, the body has that hardwired sense of this feels good, this doesn't feel good. And maybe if we had opportunities for people, or created opportunities for ourselves to actually listen to our distress signals or comfort signals for the body, we could start paying attention to what are the relationships in my life that feel good to me.